Alright, sitting at home, about to edit the 4-7 vlog, and it just seems I have a bunch of time lapse and I don't have any introduction, no nothing that I ever told anybody what was going on. So we're getting ready to go to, my son's in the background, we're getting ready to go to the time lapse of the 4-7 build. Looking pretty good there. Finally making some headway on this damn motor 10 years later. Let's put the valves and springs and everything else back on it now. almost done with this thing. I figured while I talked about it for a second, I would unbox some stuff. Of course, the oil pump I have left. And then underneath that is the timing set. Ooh, let's get that oil pump over right there. Oh, I hadn't even cut that open yet. I don't even have a knife on me. What do I got that I can cut with? And I got a key. There we go. See what we got in these things. Oh yeah. New parts. That's gonna be a tensioner. That's the other one. Okay. So it does come with all new of these things. Cool deal. Didn't know that. And that one too. Good. Let's hope so. Alrighty. What's in this little box? Oh, it's more chain. Just throw these chains in there. Okay. Don't worry about these chains. But this chain's gonna be wrapped up in a box. So maybe someone's opened it before. And then they returned it because it wasn't right. Kind of like me, because this is like the third one they gave me before I got this one. Or at least the second one. I think the timing chain only had to get 2 different ones. The pistons. Whoa! It took 3 sets of pistons before I got the correct pistons for this motor. It took 2 different rods before I got the correct one rod that I needed where it spun a rod bearing. It took me 2 different gasket sets. This motor has been a pain. Been a pain in my ass. Let's point that at me because I'm gonna talk about this for a minute. Alright, kind of maybe edit it out and cut to this, maybe. Probably not. Anyways, so I'm almost done with this motor. I got everything bolted on. I just need to get the oil pump, the timing set, the pickup, and the oil pan and the valve covers on. And this bad boy is getting out of here. I am so sick of this motor. Every now and again there's just like that one motor that just pisses you off and just won't leave your damn shop. I guess it just likes me that much and wants to hang out with me, I guess. I don't know. It's going on like 2 months I've been working on this damn motor. Like I was saying, I got 3 different sets of pistons. Like I got the first set of pistons. I think I got one center here. Give me a second. But unlike most of your 4.7s by Jeep, this one has almost like a dome piston on it. It's got these, what is that, 16 spark plugs, and then it's got this little bitty rod compared to like the bigger, thicker one that it comes with in the rest of them. Well, anyways, I got a set of flat top Speed Pros was the first thing I got. And I was like, no, that's not the right piston that came out of that motor. So I took it back up there and I talked to him. I was like, hey, this isn't the piston I need, blah, 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 kind of thing. It's like, can you help me out here? Get me the right one. And he's like, oh man. He's like, we don't have any of those in stock. I got to get it from this place in Texas. So I was like, okay. He's like, man, it's going to take a week to get here. So I forgot the camera's actually pointing at me. I thought it was still pointing down at what I was holding. These things right here. I don't know what to do with my hands. Anyways, so the flat top piston came in. It's going to be a week before I can get it again. It's in Texas. Supposedly it's the only place I can get them. Well, I wait the entire week. I go up there that next Friday at noon, hoping that it would be there. They are. I get there, I get them back here, and I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna go hang these pistons on the rods and get that bottom end going. Well, anyways, I open the box, and it's another set of flat tops. Instead of it being sealed power, I had a pair of Silverlight flat top pistons. So then I decided I took this piston and this rod with me. Went up there and it's like, I don't know what needs to happen, but these right here are what I need. Get me these, please. Well, that next Monday I got them. I got them hung, put on there. What else happened with this thing? Then I had to get back up there. I went and talked to the manager of the warehouse that I use, and I was like, hey, I just want to double check everything. I want to make sure what I got is what I need. And I don't really know how to explain what happened with the gaskets, but either way, they got me straight, got me everything I needed, but the only thing that I got originally for this motor that was correct was, this is the oil pump they originally gave me. I have that. And then the bottom end part of the gasket set. Yes. The bottom end gasket set, let me look around, make sure. Yes. The bottom end gasket set and that oil pump was the only thing in my rebuild kit that I originally got the first day I ordered it that was correct, that I still have that's going on this motor. Oh man, it's been something. It's been a road of terribleness. Whew. This motor's been fun. But anyways, none of the machine work or anything like that. Like there wasn't, I mean, it spun a rod bearing. I had to get Ended up getting them a crank kit and then one new rod, because like I tried, it's this rod actually, it's the one that didn't go back into it, and I got a new one for it. I tried, with it being snap caps, you can't exactly cut them here, so I tried honing it out, but by the time I got the imperfections out and it actually looks like this, where it's good and nice, it's about 4/1000ths of clearance if I try to put the bearings in now. So I was just like, whatever, I'll get him a new rod. So did that. Anyways, I'm gonna get back and get this thing finished, because I want this thing out of my shop today. It's gonna happen today. This thing is leaving. Anyways, back to the build. Alright, I thought that I was recording when I did the timing set, but I did not. But let me tell you what, I am not taking this back apart so I can film it. This shit is a pain in the ass. You need very long and skinny fingers for this job. Like, this was ridiculous to me. Like, just getting the chain up in here and back to the... I don't even want to talk about it. It's not hard, but at the same time, it's just cramped. It's very tight spaces. Anyways, back to building. Alright, another vlog, edits in. This is where I have to do the whole rundown of, over here's the like button. You hit that, that'll help the algorithm out so other people can watch this video other than just maybe the 1 or 2 people that are seeing it right now. There's a comment section right here. Click on that. That way there you can argue with me over what you disliked about this video, and maybe other people will comment and then they will argue against your argument. Comment section's out of control. Anyways, subscribe button right over here. Make sure you hit that. Ring the bell. That way there you get all the notifications, everything I'm uploading. I will talk to you guys later.